Hey YouTubers, how's your day going? I thought I'd just take a minute to upload a quick video. I was working on some course content this morning and had a couple of thoughts I wanted to pass along. I wanted to make sure everybody knows that, my passion is helping you build your influence and your income with the information, techniques, and skills that are taught in our new course, The Art of Influence. And I wanted to talk a little bit about, how do you make money? How do you support the vision of growing your business? Sometimes people are uncomfortable talking about money. It's sometimes not an easy subject, but we need money to keep the mission going, right? So, whatever it is, if you want to sustain your dream, well, we've got to work to make sure that we're generating income. Well, that's part of our mission at Our Best Life Now. Is providing the information and the education to help you understand how communication and influence can dramatically impact both your professional as well as your personal life. I've just put out a new ebook, and I would like to extend an invitation to get the 7-day challenge for more effective persuasion and leadership. All you need to do is go over to ourbestlifenow.com/challenge to download your free copy today. That's a great start and introduction to the information and type of content that you could expect from Our Best Life Now and some of the programs such as The Art of Influence that we're just releasing. So pick up your free copy of your ebook, and as always, make it a great day.